stark contrast from the last time I came through when it was nothing but fire. Don't know how well it picks up on the camera here with the glare from the sun. Here's where all the fire damage was that was causing over there. You can see the pink from the retardant that they threw down from the airplanes. Wow. You can still smell it too. So as you guys may have guessed it, we're at Disneyland. Just checked into our hotel room. Holiday Inn. It's not looking bad. David's doing the bed bug and make sure it was clean check. Are we good, David?
Yes.
Okay, good. Doesn't look bad. It looks kind of like the same room we had last time. It's a lot like our last one. Closet over here. Except the bathroom is over here. Oh, it's got that funny sink is outside the bathroom deal. Where is the light switch? There it is. Ooh, fluorescent. It's not bad. Looks clean. Could be a little better. I don't like some quality-free. Oh well, I'm not a critic. Or at least a hotel critic. Nice. I don't know. Today's forecast called for like thunderstorms, but I don't see any thunderstorms anywhere. We're staying at Holiday Inn. It's Walnut Street and Ball Road. Actually let us check in 4 hours early because I had already done the check-in the night before, which was really cool. And our hotel is really convenient. It's about 1 block up and 1 block over from where I wanted to say Ticket and Transportation Center. That's Disney World, Chris. Where the parking garage is, where you can get the tram. And it's like a 10-minute walk maybe. It's really nice. Maybe one day we'll stay there. Today's not that day though. So if you guys go this way, the way to get into the parking garage, to get to the tram, you have to go across the street and take the little bridge from downtown Disney. Now, foolishly, the first time we did that, we walked all the way that way and then all the way to the corner, only to realize that there was a little pedestrian entrance over there.
Wait now.
Hey, there we go. And we could have shaved, I don't know, 20 minutes off of our walk by having to walk all the way around. And it'd be so much easier if they just opened the gate over there, but you go this way, there's stairs here where you can go that way and go up the ramp. Since we're working on our Disney exercise goal, we'll take the stairs. Oh yeah, you can smell the honeysuckle. Probably those roses over there too. Ta-da!
Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Drag.
So nice out too. It's like 71 degrees out right now. It has a nice cool breeze. 100 years of wonder. there's Daisy in her 100th outfit going on a break. And the ankle breaking tracks. You guys are sensing a little bit of a lisp. It's because I just got Invisalign a couple days ago, so I'm still trying to learn how to talk again with them in.
I don't notice it.
Okay, well, we figured out where everyone is. They're all in the Emporium. We're looking for the Pride merchandise. It's not it over there. Oh, Oswald. Find another pair of Crocs.
Yeah,
$65. Ooh,
Is that an 8 or a 6?
that's $65. Okay, Wonderful World of Disney.
I do love them.
Over here?
There's the little sensors on them that keep going up. Oh, look, and they have a shirt. Wonderful world of color. Oh. Oh, I like it. I like this one, David.
Oh, I do too.
Look at the back.
I really wanted a button up. Well, that's even better. That reminds me of my childhood.
See how much this is? Oh, neat. It's the same kind of thing, but black and white in color. $64.99 for that bad boy. Let's look at it. $60. So it seems like everything over here is pretty expensive. $35 for the shirt. Oh, and there's also a hat. Disneyland, Frontierland,
Oh, I really like
Fantasyland,
It's so awesome.
Adventureland. That's cool too. Oh, there's all the Pride stuff. Oh, there's more. It's an XL.
How much is this one? Is this $59? It's pretty big, huh?
What's that?
It looks really big.
That's gigantic. Remember that Hawaiian shirt I got of theirs that I got in a large because I thought it'd be the right size and it turned out to be gigantic?
I think we're a Disney medium.
Disney medium. That one's cool too.
Oh, yeah. It's all 59.
60, yeah. Which is a Spirit jersey. Disney Pride. Yeah, see they have a whole bunch of stuff. There's even a backpack.
I love it. I love it.
Oh, I love her umbrella. I don't know. It's a lot of good. Oh, sorry. It's a lot of good seating that all those pin trader people take up. It's Maribel.
And being on a terrible train with too many kids controlling our ship.
I know they don't know how to control the ship. So we're gonna go on Smugglers Run. Off camera, we were trying to decide whether or not we were gonna do single rider or not. We're not, even though it would be quicker. But as we said, we don't want to be on the same ship as a goober who doesn't know how to fly it.
So,
$50 minutes. That's doable. We'll see how long it actually takes. Let's see. 107. Whoever they had in charge of sound design, yeah, I hope he got a good check.
Yeah.
I have a hard time believing this is going to be 50 minutes. Well, if you count pre-show, that took 16 minutes.
Once the door is fully automatically open, and that red light turns blue, then you may mosey on it.
Okay.
Excellent. Not authorized to pick up the cargo. Picking up the cargo. Good, good. I see now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. I don't know. Unfortunate technical difficulty. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
However, one of the engines overhead.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Oh, bye. We'll let him go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
Any questions?
We're purple for
Blue. Come on now, blue. Two pilots up front. Pilots first, then gunners, then engineers.
Any buttons to press? Any of those?
'Flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, we made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Yes, Chewie will pilot us now.
30 minutes. That's doable.
When hinges squeak, doors chain, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the hall.
Let's see our portraits above. Kindly drag your bodies away from the walls and lay them to rest in the dead center of our gallery.
This chamber has no windows and no doors.
The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your...
One attend. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. And you'll be expecting me. Shrouded in
Here's where Maleficent caught on fire a couple weeks ago. Should be a while before that makes its return. Fire tends to do that. They're still working on Adventureland Treehouse. Oh, it'd be really neat. Level 2, walkway. Okay, we got ourselves some snacks. Little treaty treats. David got his icy thing with a paper straw that immediately went south. So we're gonna head back to the hotel room to rest for a little bit. May or may not be out. We've been up since 3 a.m. driving and stuff, so we may end up just passing out. Either way, what a fun day.